Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are setting up the Google Nest Hub. Okay, that aside. So firstly, we have the Nest Hub itself. Okay, let's put it right there. Underneath here, we have the wires to plug in the Nest Hub. Plug this part in here. Oh, and we also have the instructions. Now let's plug this into an outlet and turn it on. Okay, now let's set it up in the Google Home app. Let's add a device. Oh, looking for device of take forever. Desktop sound? Yes, I'd like to pair the desktop. No, thank you. Bevan Trim is okay. Next. Um okay, it's successfully connected and okay. No, thank you. This thingy has sleep sensing. In case you didn't know, if you put it next on your bedside table, then you can use sleep sensing. But for now, since it's on my desk, I am not going to turn that on. Um, Gestures, photo frame, everything I'll keep on, except for that. Um, Agree. Next. Okay, okay, all of those are here. Now continue. Okay, change the volume. This is how to change the volume. Yeah, if you'd like to do that, on the real thingy, Let me just turn it around and show y'all. You can see over here. Next. This part. The voice thingy, mic switch. It's right here.
The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
Yeah. Now that's all ready. Let's turn that back. Yeah. Continue. Finish setup.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. Here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
Okay, let's take the tour.
First, I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up from the bottom. This is where you can control some settings, like screen brightness, alarms, and a few other things. To hide these settings, swipe it away, or tap anywhere. Now let's look at some things that you can see on your home screen. To take a look at your day, swipe left from the right side of the screen. Now, here's the place where you can find information and actions chosen just for you. Up morning to night. Next, go ahead and tap where it says Home Control.
Or you could
Now,
just switch.
this is where you can find and control devices in your smart home,
Swipe.
like lights and thermostats. Almost finished. You can ask me all sorts of questions, and I'll do my best to get you an answer. Try asking me about the weather.
Hey Google, what's the weather?
It's 28 degrees with light rain there. Tonight, Just as a final tip, if you want to learn more, you can always ask me, what can you do? We're all finished for now. I'm really looking forward to being your Google Assistant.
Okay, my display, I always like it light. Okay, and that's all about this Nest Hub. Also, if you'd like to know how to get the sound before and after, I'll teach you. So right now, find your device, settings, and click on accessibility, start sound and sound. And that's all you need to know about the Google Nest Hub. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.